Welcome learners. This is Dr. T. Gangaram, lecturer in statistics, SVA Government College, Srikalahasti. In this video lecture, we will discuss the derivation of mean deviation from mean of a rectangular distribution. Let us define the rectangular distribution first. The PDF of rectangular distribution f of x is given by 1 by b minus a. The range of x is a to b. We derived the mean of rectangular distribution mu is equal to expectation of x is equal to b plus a by 2 by, let us define the mean deviation. It is the mean deviation is about the mean is the expected value of the absolute difference between the variable x and its mean mu. It is the absolute difference x minus its mean mu. So in case of rectangular distribution, we find the mean deviation. A to b modulus of x minus mu f of x dx. We substitute the mean and probability function values in this expression. The range is a to b, absolute differences from every value x minus a plus b plus a by 2 into, this is the f of x value, into dx. Let us transform the modulus value x minus b plus a by 2 into t. Let us take t is equal to x minus b plus a by 2, then dt is equal to dx. Let us change the limits a and b. If we substitute x in place of a, t is equal to a minus b plus a minus b plus a by 2. This is equal to a minus b minus a by 2 minus of b minus a by 2. When x is equal to b, t is equal to b minus b plus a by 2, b minus, this is minus of minus, minus b minus a, b minus 2b minus b minus a by 2, this is b minus a by 2. So when, if x is equal to a, it is minus b minus a by 2. If x is equal to b plus b minus a by 2, we substitute the limits. Then the integral becomes 1 by b minus a minus b minus a by 2 to plus b minus a by 2 modulus of t into dt. Property of even functions. By using the property of even function, since modulus of t is an even function, it is symmetrical across the y-axis. The integral from minus k to plus k is twice as the integral from 0 to k. 0 to k and 0 to minus k is equal. We can write minus k to plus k as 2k. So this mean deviation is equal to 1 by b minus a to 2 into 0 to b minus a by 2 to t dt. We can drop the absolute sign because t is positive in the range 0 to k. Now the integral t dt is equal to t square by 2. The 2 into 2 by b minus a, here integral t dt is t square by 2. The range is 0 to b minus a by 2. Substitute in this form b minus a by 2 whole square minus 0. This is equal to 2, 2, 2. Here it becomes 4. 2, 2 gets cancelled. Outer 2, 2 gets cancelled. This 2, 2 gets cancelled. And b minus a, 1 b minus a and b minus a gets cancelled. The final result is b minus a by 4. This is the mean deviation about mean of rectangular distribution. The summary of rectangular distribution, its standard deviation sigma is equal to root of variance, that is equal to b minus a whole square. In b minus a square gets cancelled to root 12. It is approximately b minus a by 3.4 and the mean deviation is b minus a by 4. This demonstrates that for this distribution, the mean deviation is slightly smaller than the standard deviation, which is typical for uniform spreads. Thank you.